school seems a lot nicer. A lot cleaner. Everything. Wow. Hi, student. I'm Mrs. Stegosaurus, and I'll be your teacher for this year. Yay! We get one of the nicest teachers in the world. Dude, just calm down. I may not be one of the nicest. Dude, you are. Yeah, I guess you are. Pretty much, yep. I've been here a whole time. I've always wanted you. It's your lucky day. You get me. Nice. Okay, class. Now, everybody knows. So now, what is 5 times 5? And me. Yes, Wallace. It is 10. Correct. After school. Hi, twin. Where do you live? I just stay outside. Oh, that's my cue. Snaky. We sort of all live in the same house. Okay. Well, no. Bubbles, you're sleepy. Your butt is literally in my face.